What's going on, fam? This is Tan with a quick video review for a product that I recently purchased on AliExpress for $35 shipped to my door. It is for this sunglass holder, and the unboxing or unbagging just comes with the product and this pry tool right here. Now you might be wondering, why might I need a sunglass holder in the Highlander when it already has one? Well, for a couple reasons. Number one, if you have one and you know how flimsy they are, maybe it's broken and you might not use it as often, and so you might want to look at a different alternative. Or like me, mine is not broken. I'll show in a few seconds here, but in my OEM sunglass holder I have my sunglasses in there, but I also have driving glasses as well, where I would need a second place to store my driving glasses. So this looked like an option if this actually works, if it installs good, and just looking at the quality of this product here. Looks like it's all ABS plastic and it's flocked with this gray-like material, and if you look on the back, pretty straightforward. It just has these 4 hinges that hook into the headliner of the vehicle. No screws or anything like that is necessary. As for how it operates, you just push it. Push, lock, unlock, lock, unlock, unlock. It looks like it's also flocked on the inside as well, so that's a nice touch. It is not plastic on the inside, so every part of it is basically wrapped. So this should be just straightforward installation. Let's go ahead and pop this right up into the headliner and see how it feels based on the placement. This right here is the OEM sunglass holder. And you can see here it works fine. This stores my sunglasses. No issues at all. However, I need a place for my driving glasses as well. So taking a look at this product, inside interior color here, this is graphite gray, and if I were to do a color match, do you think that matches well? It's not too bad, not too bad. And this would just look right here, these clips are here would just fit snug right in here, and these on the top just hug right in here. So let's see how this looks. Maybe we should hook it on the top first and then snug it in there. Looks aligned. Yeah, it's pretty snug in there. It's not going to go anywhere. I am curious though. I want to see if it snags on the moonroof here. So let me just turn this on and try to open it. Yep, it clears just fine. No issues. We'll open it up. Put it down, take my reading glasses, pop it in there, close it. I'll give you another angle. You might be wondering, is this far too back if you're sitting in the driver's seat where it cranks your arm? Not really. It's still forward enough where I can still have access to here and to here. So if I would open this, I can have access to my reading glasses or my driving glasses and my sunglasses right there. Alright, so here's a side profile shot to show you that it is not too far back where you can just reach it if you need to. So get out, glasses. If it was like way back here, I might have an issue, but it's still in front of me. I still have access to it. Easy reach even if I'm driving, like just keep driving, just pop it there, this without looking. So overall, I got no issues with this product. It works fine. It is $35, so you make the decision if this is a good investment to have a second sunglass holder in the car. Alright, well, if you like my videos, like and subscribe. I'll see you at the next one. Take care. Peace.